Hello students, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Amandeep Kaur. This is subject maths of class 5th. So lesson 2, fundamental operations on numbers, exercise 2.3. Think and do. First, find the sum of 60498, 31292 and 7132. Let's solve. Answer. Let's add. 8 plus 2 plus 2 is 12, 1 carried, 9 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1 is 22, 2 carried, 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is the answer. Next, B part is find difference of 70123 and 40268. Answer is, first of all, here 13 minus 8 is 5, 1 left, 11 minus 6 is 5, 0 left, 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 0 is 9, 6 left, 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is the answer. Second, statement 2, 27020 bricks are required for constructing a kitchen and 31275 bricks are required for constructing a room. How many bricks in total are required for construction of both? Answer is, number of bricks required for kitchen. किचन के लिए जो bricks चाहिए कितनी है 27020 and for room is equal to 31275 and number of bricks required in total is equal to, let's add, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 7 is 9, 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 1 is 8, 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the answer. Next, third statement, Surjit had 20,000 with him. उसके पास 20,000 rupees हैं. He bought clothes costing 13,750. उसने कपड़े खरीदे 13,750 के. हाउ मच अमाउंट वॉज लेफ्ट विद हिम. उसके पास कितने पैसे बचे. फर्स्ट, लेट्स सॉल्व. सुरजीत हैड 20,000. ही बॉट क्लोथ्स फॉर 13,750. लेट्स सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. इनको माइनस करेंगे. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 left, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 left, 9 minus 3 is 6, 1 left, 1 minus 1 is 0. So amount left with him, उसके पास कितने पैसे बचे 6,250. Fourth statement is, in a library there are 30,155 Punjabi books, 28,653 maths books and 12,376 English books. How many books are there in library? Library में total books कितनी है सबको ऐड करना है. So answer is, Punjabi books is equal to 30,155, maths books is equal to 28,653, English books are 12,376. Now total books in library, let's add. 5 plus 3 plus 6 is 14, 1 carried. 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1 is 18, 1 carried. 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 11, 1 carried. 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11, 1 carried. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 7. So total books in library are 71,184. Fifth statement, the sum of two numbers is 89,000. If the one number is 25,450, then find the other. Now sum of two number is equal to 89,000. One number is 25,450. The other number is, let's subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5, 8 minus 5 is 3, 8 minus 2 is 6. So the other number is 63,550. So this is the answer. Sixth sum, what number must be added to 70,429 to get 1 lakh? Answer, to get 1 lakh, number added to 70429. So let's subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 left, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 left, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 left, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 left, 9 minus 7 is 2. So required number is 29,571. 1. Next, 7th, find the number which is 7976 more than 36798. So, let's find first 36,798 plus 7,976. Let's add. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 carried. 9 plus 7 plus 1 is 17. 1 carried. 7 plus 9 plus 1 is 17. 1 carried. 6 plus 7 plus 1 is 14. 1 carried. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the number is 44,774. Its B part is 12,967 less than 30,067. So answer is 30,067 minus 12,967. Let's subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 left. 9 minus 2 is 7. 2 left. 2 minus 1 is 1. Eighth statement. If the price of computer is 15,560 and price of laptop is 9,050 more than price of computer, then find कंप्यूटर का प्राइस दिया है और लैपटॉप का 9,050 ज़्यादा है कंप्यूटर से. सो प्राइस ऑफ लैपटॉप फर्स्ट प्राइस ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज 15,560. Add more price plus 9,050. Let's add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 carried. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 9 is 14. 1 carried. 1 plus 1 is 2. So price of laptop is 24,610. Right? Now B part is total price of both the items. Computer and laptop का total price. So price of computer is 15,560. Price of laptop is 24,610. Let's add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 carried. 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. 1 carried. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Total price of both is equal to 40,170. Answer. Ninth statement. Find the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number using digits 93407. Also find their difference. Answer. The greatest number 97430 and the smallest number is 30479. Now let's find difference. Let's subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. 2 left. 12 minus 7 is 5. 3 left. 13 minus 4 is 9. 6 left. 6 minus 0 is 6. And 9 minus 3 is 6. Right? Now 10th statement. This is find the sum of greatest 2 digits, 3 digits and 4 digit numbers. सबका sum find करना है. Right? Greatest 2 digit is equal to 99. Greatest 3 digit is 999. Greatest 4 digit is 9,999. The numbers given in brackets are carried numbers. Right? So let's add. 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 27. 2 carried. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 is 29. 2 carried. 9 plus 9 plus 2 is 20. 2 carried. 9 plus 2 is 11. So sum of all is equal to 11,097. Right? 11th sum. Find the difference of place values of 6 and 7 in number 96074. So answer. PV stands for place value. Place value of 6 in 96074 is equal to 6000 means 6000 and place value of 7 in 96074 is 70. So let's subtract to find the difference. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 left. 9 minus nothing. So 9 and 5 minus nothing is 5. So difference is 5,930. Next 12th sum. Subtract 45555 means 45,555 from 6 digit smallest number. Now 6 digit smallest number is 1 lakh and subtract 45,555. So difference is, let's subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So difference is 54,445. 13th sum is Satnam had 8,765 with him. Satnam के पास 8,765 रुपीस थे. His uncle gave him 2,500. उसके अंकल ने उसको 2,500 दिए. Satnam gave 4,770 to his sister. सतनाम में 4,770 रुपीस अपनी सिस्टर को दिए. Now how much money left with him? उसके पास कितने पैसे बचे? Answer: Satnam had is equal to 8,765, right? His uncle gave him 2,500. So let's add total money he had. उसके पास total कितने पैसे हो गए? 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carried, 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11, right? Now total money he had 11,265, right? He gave to his sister. Sister को दिए 4,770. Money left with him. Let's subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 16 minus 7 is 9. 1 left. 11 minus 7 is 4. 0 left. Now 10 minus 4 is 6, right? So money left with him is 6,495 rupees. 14th sum is Mandeep had 10,000 rupees है मनदीप के पास. He bought a pair of shoes for 1,050 के शूज खरीदे and a suit for 3,600 का सूट खरीदा. How much money was left with him? उसके पास कितने पैसे बचे? He bought shoes for 1,050 and suit for 3,600 rupees. Total money he spent. Total पैसे जो उसने खर्च किए उसका ऐड करो. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 6 is 6, 1 plus 3 is 4. So total money he spent is equal to 4,650 rupees. Now he had total money 10,000 rupees. He spent 4,650. Money left with him. So let's subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5,350 rupees. 15th sum Sandeep had 78,500 in his bank account. संदीप के पास बैंक अकाउंट में 78,500 rupees हैं. How much more amount should he deposit in account so that he has 1 lakh in his account? उसको अकाउंट में कितने और डिपॉजिट करवाने पड़ेंगे 1 लाख जमा करने के लिए. Now he want to have in his bank account. बैंक अकाउंट में कितने डिपॉजिट करना चाहता है 1 lakh. But he has in his account. उसके अकाउंट में कितने हैं 78,500. Now more amount to deposit. कितने और डिपॉजिट करने पड़ेंगे. Let's subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 9 minus 7 is 2. So more amount to deposit is 21,500. Right? In the sum is a person travels 135 km by car from Pathankot to Kashmir. पठानकोट टू कश्मीर वो 135 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करता है. एंड नेक्स्ट डे ही ड्राइव्स 138 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम कश्मीर टू ले. और कश्मीर टू ले वो 138 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करता है. हाउ मच डिस्टेंस डिड ही कवर? टोटल उसने कितनी डिस्टेंस कवर की? सो आंसर इज डिस्टेंस पठानकोट टू कश्मीर इज इक्वल टू 135 किलोमीटर. डिस्टेंस कश्मीर टू ले इज इक्वल टू 138 किलोमीटर. सो टोटल डिस्टेंस ही कवर्ड. लेट्स ऐड. 5 plus 8 is 13, 1 carried, 3 plus 1 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2. So total distance he covered is equal to 273 kilometer. So we have completed exercise 2.3 of lesson 2. So thank you so much for watching this video and like and subscribe my channel for more videos.